Now, another area that we see in bathrooms that tend to hold a lot of smell and get very dirty and get overlooked is the sink, around the sink and the drain specifically. So I'm gonna grab the long nozzle because we don't need any vacuum function. We just need the steam only. And we're just gonna steam some target areas that are really hard to reach unless you have the pressure from steam and the moisture as well. So we'll get into these tight little nooks and crannies. We'll target the sink here, around the connection between the sink and the base of the countertop. And sometimes not all the cleaning methods are visual. In this case, you don't see a lot coming off, but what we can see is what we can smell. In fact, a nice aroma, a stench that is coming out of the sink now that we're cleaning it up. Just from over the years, a lot of buildup. What's nice when you're done with that, you just let it run down the drain. Pretty simple.